Walk backward, yep. Yep. Gotta get him in first.
That's the Bait Me Pro staffer, Mike Linsmeyer. Yeah. What do you think she is? 5-6 pounds? Come on there, sister. Give Bait Me a good, good aerial action. Oh, there we go. Hey, Mike, just let us all know what you're using here. What kind of float reel you got and what you got licked up.
Sheffield float reel and C4 Avid rod.
Yeah.
Even a warning today. Mid-December. Hot one. This one's really active. 3-pound test. Self-Explorer carbon.
Here comes the girl.
Here you go.
Sweet, sister. Bait Me 2. Sealy's 1. Alright guys, we're back in again. It's easily been 15 minutes here. It's a nice looking fish, that's for sure. Can you lift it up some more, bring it to the camera? Another Angler's Choice big worm.
This is our 6th fish today.
Oh yeah.
We've been here for maybe an hour. Marcus probably feels like 5 hours by now with his feet being wet.
Wet. Frozen like ice cubes.
Yeah.